Hello students, in this video we will discuss about uh, find the area bounded by one curve and two curves together. Means first we take how to find area bounded by one curve. If one curve move from downwards to upwards or left to right like this. Suppose or let y equal to f of x is a curve and graph of this curve like this. Suppose this type of curve and we want to find the area of this region, this bounded curve. Suppose this area. Now in this situation, since this is the y equal to f of x and this curve intersect the x-axis at 3 points. Suppose this is the point A, this is the point B and this is the point C. If we remove this first part, then already you have find or you have learned how to find the area of this curve, and this curve is also. But in this diagram, this is the given together both regions. As you know that since this area is below this region is below the x-axis, so area of this region will be negative, and this area above the x-axis, so area of this region will be positive. But as you know that area never negative, so you should be take the area of this region as a modulus, that means absolute value. Finding the area of this, we should be draw small strips parallel to y-axis, whose width is dy and length is y. Width is dx and length is y. And on the same way, we should be draw the small strips parallel to y-axis, whose width is dx and length is y. Now let area of first region will be I1 and the area of second region will be I2. Therefore I1 means therefore I equal to, I is the area of both regions, I equal to I1 plus I2. That means if we find the area of this region and area of this region and adding both, then this will be area of total. How to find the area of both regions? Already we have learned in the previous slides. Now we will take two curves together and how to find the area bounded by both curves. Suppose y equal to f of x and z equal to g of x are two functions, two curves, and these curve intersect. Suppose this is the y equal to f of x and this is another curve. This is the another curve which is the z equal to g of x, and we want to find the area of this region, which is the bounded by both given curves. Now in this situation, first we find what is the value or what is the intersection point of this and this, that means coordinate of both points. Suppose for this getting the points, we should be solve the both functions, both curves, and find the value of x and y. Suppose here x is a and here x is b, or in the coordinate form, if you write here a to b and here c to d, means coordinate of this point is ab, this is the p and this is the q, and here cd. So coordinate of this point will be a comma 0 and coordinate of this point will be c comma 0. Now we want to find the area of this bounded region. For this we take here draw x, o, y coordinates and take only one curve y equal to f of x. Since as you seen here, this point is A and this point is B. Then find the area bounded by this curve, that means this curve. So what will be area of this curve if this is the smallest and this is the dx. Dx is the width of this strip and this is the y. So area of this will be, and denoted by I1, this will be area of I1 equal to integration over a to b y into dx. Since here y equal to f of x, so this will be a to b left like this. This is the I1, and we take in the another figure second function, second curve, this curve, and this is the z equal to g of x. Z equal to g of x. Now, since this point is A and this point is B, so area bounded by this curve and this line is like this. So this will be denoted by I2. Draw the small steps. This is the dy and this is the y. So I2 equal to integration over a to b y into dy. Y into dx. This is the dx. Y into dx. But here given function is z. Y equal to, I write here, y equal to g of x. Y equal to g of x. Y equal to g of x. Then this will be y into dx. Since here a to b, y equal to g of x, this will be g of x into dx, and here y equal to I1 equal to integration over a to b f of x into dx. If you merge the both figures, then you can get like this. And if you want to find the area of this common part, that means if you merge here, then this curve will be find like this. That means if we subtract the area this from this, so we can get only common region. That means if we denote the area of area bounded by both curve is I, then this will be I equal to I1 minus I2. That means this will be integration over a to b f of x into dx minus integration over a to b g of x into dx. This is a very important topic, that means area bounded by two curves to the point of examination.